guys, so that's the end of another video today. Hopefully you enjoyed it. It is slightly different in the vein and direction that I usually do for these videos on a Monday. I didn't really have a sort of message to go with it, so I wanted to just develop and hone my skills further. If you did like this video, please leave a like rating down below, leave a comment down below, and please consider subscribing if you want to see more. On Mondays, we do these sort of videos. On Thursdays, we do Tutorial Thursdays. Until next time, guys, keep it real, hunt the thrill, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.